Carpets add warmth, comfort, and style to Dubai homes, but maintaining them properly ensures they last longer and look luxurious. In 2026, keeping carpets clean is not just about aesthetics, it's about hygiene, durability, and protecting your investment. Whether you have a plush living room carpet or a small bedroom rug, these simple tips will help you keep your carpets in top condition. 1. Vacuum regularly. Vacuuming is the simplest way to keep carpets clean. In high-traffic Dubai homes, doing this at least twice a week removes dust, dirt, and allergens. Use a vacuum with adjustable height settings to protect delicate fibers while ensuring deep cleaning. 2. Deal with spills immediately. Spills happen, whether it's coffee, juice, or food. Acting quickly prevents stains from setting. Blot the spill with a clean cloth, avoid rubbing, and use mild cleaning solutions suitable for your carpet type. 3. Rotate your carpets. Rotating carpets every few months ensures even wear and tear. In Dubai's sunny apartments, this also helps prevent uneven fading caused by sunlight exposure. Rotated carpets last longer and maintain their original look. 4. Deep clean periodically. Professional deep cleaning or steam cleaning every 6 to 12 months keeps carpets looking fresh and hygienic. 4. High-quality rugs. This restores softness and revives textures, ensuring your carpet feels luxurious underfoot. 5. Protect from direct sunlight. Dubai's intense sun can fade carpet colors over time. Use curtains, blinds, or UV protective window films to reduce exposure. Keeping carpets away from direct sunlight preserves colors and extends their lifespan. 6. Use rugs in high-traffic areas. Protect expensive carpets by placing smaller runners or mats in high-traffic areas like hallways, entranceways, or in front of sofas. This simple step reduces wear and tear on your main carpets while maintaining style. 7. Handle stains properly. For tough stains, use solutions recommended for your carpet material. Avoid harsh chemicals. Blot gently and rinse thoroughly. Proper stain treatment prevents permanent damage and keeps carpets looking new. 8. Invest in quality carpet pads. Carpet pads under rugs not only add comfort but also reduce friction, prolonging the life of your carpet. In Dubai homes, padding also helps keep rugs in place on tiled or wooden floors. 9. Maintain regular foot traffic hygiene. Encourage family and guests to remove shoes before walking on carpets. This reduces dirt, sand, and oils from entering the fibers, which is particularly important in Dubai's sandy climate. A simple habit greatly reduces cleaning frequency and preserves your carpets. 10. Timeless maintenance practices. Stick to a routine. Vacuum, rotate, protect from sun, and deep clean periodically. These timeless habits ensure your carpets remain soft, vibrant, and luxurious for years. Consistent maintenance is the key to long-lasting beauty. Cleaning and maintaining carpets in Dubai homes is easier than it seems. Regular vacuuming, prompt spill treatment, periodic deep cleaning, and sun protection are all essential steps. Even simple adjustments, like using carpet pads or rotating rugs, make a huge difference in keeping your carpets fresh, stylish, and comfortable. With proper care, your carpets will not only last longer but also continue to elevate your home interiors effortlessly.